Hello, everyone. It is Amber Carlton with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Premier Properties. And right now, I'm coming at you to give you a quick little market update on this Friday afternoon. And then I will let you go enjoy your Friday, or if you're watching this later, that is fantastic. Not a ton has changed, but it's always good monthly to just see how things have shifted over the past 30 to 31 days, or last month it was only 28. But yeah, let's dive in. Okay, so I have two charts pulled up in front of you. And what we are looking at is our absorption rates here locally in the Fargo Moorhead area. So, what absorption rate even means, if you haven't seen one of these before, is how long it would take to clearance off everything we've got listed right now. And we look at that in a matter of months. So, 6 months is a neutral market, doesn't favor buyers, doesn't favor sellers. Anything over 6 months is a buyer's market. Anything under 6 months is a seller's market. And as you can see, we have been in a seller's market for a long time, and that is not looking to change anytime soon. With that being said, with the interest rates having gone up a little bit, things have eased, which is beautiful. It gives buyers time to make a decision. It means that the homes aren't flying off the market quite as quickly as they were. However, they're still moving pretty quickly, as you will see in our absorption rates. So, looking at month-to-month comparison, starting off, our median sales price did go up $500. Our average days on market for sold went up 1 day. So, a little bit longer than it was last month, but it's 1 day. So, not a ton. Moving down to our absorption rates, we stayed the same until we hit the 140 to 160 category. 2 homes sold in that price category, dropping it down to 1 month worth of inventory. Stayed the same until we get to 180 to 200 and 200 to 250. If you have a home in this price range and you would like to move, now would be a super time to get you listed, because we have less than a half a month worth of inventory in either of those categories. So we desperately need homes for less than $250,000. If you're thinking about moving into something a little bit more, you're going to also get a little bit of an advantage because there's a few more homes in those categories. But yeah, we could really use your homes to be on the market now. And then we stayed the same until we hit the $400,000 to $500,000 category, which we dropped substantially last month in that category. We went from 75 listings down to 56. Now, this could be multiple things. It could have been that all of those homes sold, which is fantastic, or it could have been that the sellers decided not to sell anymore, or to take it off the market for a little bit and refresh it. Many different things could factor into that. So it doesn't mean for sure that 20 homes between 400,000 and 500,000 sold. That's just what we have for inventory right now. And then in our luxury, we legitimately stayed exactly the same, with 69 homes still on market. Nothing is really crazy here. It's a good time for sellers and a good time for buyers. There's different programs buyers can take advantage of, like the 2-1 buy down, to help with the rate and still have the security of a long-term 30-year fixed mortgage. If you guys have questions on any of this, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Here is all of the different ways you can connect with me. Follow me on social media. The vast majority are amber.realtor. A few are ACarlton Realtor. Pretty easy to find. Never hesitate to reach out. Hope you guys have the best weekend. Take care. See you next month.